Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that might be the shoe of the year for 2020. I know that's not saying a lot with a lot of stuff that we all going through as the whole world is struggling with this whole pandemic, the COVID-19, aka coronavirus, man. I want to send my condolences to anybody who lost anybody during this whole thing, man. My prayers to everyone who's, suffering through this and, just lost their jobs or anything like that, man. My heart goes out to you guys, man, and I wish it for the best for everybody and to everything returns back to normal. I wish it for the best for you guys, man, physically and mentally, because I know, just doing the same thing over and over again can pretty much put you mentally in a bad place, man. But I'm praying for everyone. I wish everyone the best. But the shoe that we're talking about here is the LeBron 7 Media Day joints, man. These was crazy. I know a lot of my friends was looking for them. Everybody pretty much wanted a pair, and I was able to score a pair off the Sneakers app. Y'all already know the vibes, man. The Sneakers app been real good to me. The last couple shoes that I tried to get for the toe, they've been looking out for me, so I appreciate that, man. Hopefully, I can keep scoring on the Sneakers app. I think I got a little formula that's been working, because every time I do it, it works. But, let me not jinx it. I don't want to end up back on the L train. But before we do that, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also, don't forget to check out our website for the merch, man. As you can see, I got an unreleased shirt that I'm about to drop in a couple days with an unreleased hat that's definitely coming out. More t-shirts and stuff is dropping. There's some other dope hoodies and, coaches jackets on there and some other hats. If you guys want to check that out, man, the website is p4yt2016.com. And also, don't forget to check us out on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking and y'all want me to get to this shoe, so let's do it. Here you guys go. LeBron 7 Media Day joints. Let's get straight into the shoe. Got the white toe box right here, white leather toe box right here. You have purple leather here. You have a mesh purple tongue coming up to the top of the tongue where you have the yellow scripted LeBron logo here with the purple background. Come over to the side here, you have a purple background with the white fly wire, and then you have a white swoosh with a yellow outline here. Come over to the side of the back, you have the LeBron logo here in purple with the yellow writing. Come over to the back of the shoe, you have the J here. Come over to the other side, you have the LeBron logo in yellow with the purple background fly wire. Then you come here, you have a white swoosh, more purple background with the white fly wire. You come to the bottom of the shoe, you have a yellow sole with the purple on the inside here. Come over here to the airbag, and you have a clear airbag with the yellow splattered print. More the same, just different color patterns on this one. White toe box, white leather toe box. You got the yellow leather here. Then you have a yellow mesh tongue here coming up to the purple scripted LeBron logo. Come over here to the side, you have the yellow background with the white fly wire with the white swoosh and the purple outline in here. Then you come over here to the LeBron logo. It's yellow with the purple writing. Come over here to the back. You have the L here. Come over here to the other side. You have the LeBron logo with the yellow background with the purple writing. Then you have another white swoosh, yellow background, white fly wire. Overall, crazy shoe. Crazy shoe, man. Like, how I feel about these, man, these are crazy right here, man. LeBron 7 is pretty much my favorite LeBron of all time. This right here is something different, man. It gives it that what the look, with the LeBrons and with the Kobe's and a bunch of what the KDs and all that stuff, man. these right here is crazy, man. I really like both shoes a lot, man. This shoe right here pretty much, you know, sums up pretty much LeBron being in LA. This is pretty much what they were probably trying to do with it, and they nailed it, man. They pretty much nailed it. They killed this shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think differently, leave in the comments below, man. But this right here is the shoe of 2020 for me. This is the shoe of 2020. If you feel differently, let me know. This shoe is crazy. Jesus, man. Like, what? I can't wait, man, to get these, man. I went online. I went on Nike. After I bought them, I went on Nike and tried to get some, you know, some Laker Nike shorts to go with them, man. They sold out. And I'm thinking, did they sell out before the shoe came out, or did they sell out when the shoe came out? I don't know, man, but they sold out, man. If anybody that know I could get some Nike shorts, man, please leave it in the comments below, man, because I need these. I would get the Just Dawn joints to go with them, but $400 for a pair of shorts is too rich for my blood, so I'm not going to make that move. Or I might just make some shorts, man, but I really want the Nike Laker joints to go with these, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. This shoe is crazy here, man. This is fire. Shout out to Nike. Let me grab the other foot. Look at this, man. This is crazy. Nike good looking out, man. I hit on the sneakers app, man. This is definitely a blessing for the sneaker gods. This is crazy, man. This pair will definitely be on my foot, and nobody will be getting these. I'm not selling these. I don't sell my shoes anyway. If I buy them for the toe, they staying on the toe, man, and that's just the #1 thing for me. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe, and out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give these joints, man, 5 out of 5 pennies. This shoe is a classic. It's legendary, and I just can't see anything. I can't see anything of 2020 that was better than these, man. I don't normally give a lot of shoes 5 pennies, but this shoe deserves it. Let me know what y'all give this shoe, man. If y'all give it 4 pennies, I think I'm tripping with the 5, 4.5, whatever y'all want to rate it, leave in the comments below. Once again, I answer all comments below, man, but this shoe is crazy, man. Please let me know what y'all think, because I would definitely be getting back to y'all. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back, man. I haven't been buying anything. I bought the Fire Red 5s. I don't know, you know, I was going to do a video on it, but I kind of opted not to, man. I've been kind of busy because I've been working. I'm an essential worker, so I've been working the whole time, man. But this shoe is crazy, man. With that being said, we keeping the 100 and not a penny less. Peace.